What's going on, Trashers? The Bearded Diver back with you. Have you ever wondered what a whole truckload of cans is worth? I know I have. Let's find out. All right, boys, here we go. Well, less dramatic than I thought it would be, but let's start doing this.
Everyone says it.
Alright, you'll notice, still got cans flowing out of there. And we're not even a third of the way there yet, so I don't know. This is gonna be fun. I guess I'm gonna have to jump in here and pack this crap down at some point. Time for a little compacting. Well, that's interesting. Alright, so we learned some things about some cans today. Apparently, if you're gonna do this, you should pack them all down first, because you end up like this. Like a quarter of these are packed, the other ones aren't. And the more there are in the bed of a truck, the harder they are to pack. That's fun. So what we're gonna do now, oh yeah, and just so you know, there's still a ton of them in here. Like, there's cans in the back that you can't see. They're slam full. I've got another load coming to me right now. Dude, I got more cans than you can think about. But, moral of the story is, pack them first. That way they'll fit in the bed of the truck. So now what I gotta do is I've gotta figure out a way to keep all of them in. Here's a board from my school, old teaching board. I had more of them. I wish now I'd have kept them. But I'm gonna put this one here, and I got a piece of plywood, or maybe those pieces of metal that might go across right there. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pack it down and I'll see you guys in the morning.
Everyone says
Alright guys, let's answer the question of the day. What is a truckload of cans worth? We had 180 pounds for, what is that? I think 4.5 cents per pound, I think it was. We got $72. It's really not that bad. If you're new to this channel, you probably don't know, but I equate my scrap to an hour. It takes me about an hour to get where I'm going and bring it home. I don't worry about the time I spend doing the stuff because you gotta do something in life. But $72 an hour, you can't beat it. That's what a truckload's worth, and I've got like 5 times, I've probably got another 5 truckloads worth at home. So, if every time it's 70 bucks, not bad. Not bad at all. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope it may answer some questions if any of you guys are wanting to get into scrapping cans and sitting on them. Maybe this will be a reason to do it. Maybe this will deter you. There is a lot you can do with cans. I know guys that melt them down and turn them into pure aluminum. I know guys that pull just the tabs off of them and keep them separate, because apparently that's pure aluminum, the tabs. So they're worth more, so I've heard. You'll have to research and do all that crap. Either way, hope you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, or don't.